Hi everyone, welcome to Clara's Feng Shui Cafe. In today's video, I'm going to talk about front door Feng Shui, problems and remedies. The front door is the entry for energy. When positive energy enters your house, it can bring good luck and wealth. But when negative energy enters your house, it can negatively impact people in many ways. So today, I'll share with you how to identify sha qi or attacking energy. Any objects outside your front door can directly affect your home feng shui and wealth luck. If you stand at your front entrance and look out of your house, if you have the following 5 feng shui problems, then you need to improve your feng shui. The first one is that there's a curved blade or bow-shaped road in front of your house. If the road in front of the house bends towards the house, this is called curved bow. And this is bad feng shui and could negatively affect people living in the house, including their health and wealth luck. The remedies for this type of front door layout is to plant a row of trees in front of the house to block the sha qi or attacking energy from entering the house. The second type of problem is when there's a sharp corner pointing towards the front door. Many houses have buildings nearby. There could be cases where a sharp corner or edge of a nearby building pointing towards your front door. In Feng Shui, any sharp corner or edge are considered sha qi or attacking energy because sharp corners can form a strong negative energy. If the sharp energy is directly pointing at your front door, it can destroy the Feng Shui of your front door, as a result affecting the health and wealth luck of people in the house. The remedy for this type of problem is to hang a bagua mirror on your front door to reduce the negative energy. The third type of problem is when there is a tall tree or withered tree in front of the main entrance. If there's a big tree blocking your front door view, it can also block positive energy and wealth luck entering your house. It's also very important to note that there should not be a withered tree in front of your house. Even a small withered tree can have adverse effect to the people living in the house. Trees generate a lot of yin energy. They prevent yang energy entering the house, as a result affecting people's health due to lack of yang energy. The dead tree or withered tree symbolizes fall or decline. It could lead to declining health of the elderly in the home or declining in wealth luck. The remedy for this type of problem is that you can remove the withered or dead tree in front of the house and plant a new one, which symbolizes growth and prosperity. But make sure that the tree is not blocking your front door view. Another type of front door feng shui problem is when there are power lines and utility poles in front of the house. The utility poles in front of the house create a strong sha qi that seriously interfere the energy flow in your home. Living in this type of house for a long time, people tend to become short-tempered and could lead to bad eyesight as well as accidents. The remedy to solve this type of feng shui problem is that you can hang 5 emperor coins or bagua mirror on the front door to reduce the sha qi. Another type of problem is when a house is facing a property that generates strong sha qi. So what type of properties can generate sha qi? For example, hospitals, public toilet, chimneys, waste facilities, or any buildings that make people feel uncomfortable. This type of buildings generate strong sha qi, which can affect people's lives in many ways, including health, wealth, relationships, and a career. The remedies to solve this type of problem is that you can place 2 lion statues in front of your house to block the negative energy. I hope you find my video helpful. If you like my video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel.